Good day, everybody. How are you all? This is Dr. Nandi. Today, we are going to find out the amount invested in two accounts earning two different rates of interest, simple interest. So, let me share my screen with you. State invested money in two accounts, one paying 5% simple interest and the other paying 6% simple interest. The amount invested at 6% was $1,000 more than the amount invested at 5%. He earned a total of $830 in interest in the two accounts together at the end of 1 year. Find the amount invested in each account. Okay. The first thing we can do is move this slightly up. Okay. So, solution. Let X be the amount invested at 5% simple interest. Let Y, let me change this a little bit. Principal. The book calls it principal, so let's stick to that. Principal. And let Y be the principal. Principal is the initial investment amount invested at 6% simple interest. So, so let's do it this way. Okay. So principal. So let's do it 5% interest and 6% interest, two columns. Okay. And interest. So at 5%, it is X. So the amount of interest earned in 1 year on the 5% account will be 0.05X. And at the 6% interest, it will be 6% in decimal is 0.06Y. And we know 0.05X, the total amount of interest, plus 0.06Y, and that is equal to 840. Okay. So this is the 5% interest, this is the 6% interest, this is the interest earned. Okay. And we also know that the amount invested at 6% was $1,000 more than that invested at 5%. So the amount invested at 6% is Y, and that is $1,000 more than the amount invested at 5%. So Y is equal to 1,000 plus X. Okay. So let me create some space here. So basically, I have two equations, 0.05X plus 0.06Y is equal to 840, and Y is equal to 1,000 plus X. So this I can call equation 1, and this I will call equation 2 after some algebraic manipulation. I will subtract X from both sides to bring the unknown variables on the left-hand side of this equation. So I get in the second equation, y minus x on the left-hand side is equal to 1000. And this is equation 2. Notice the coefficient of x in the second equation is negative x. So if I multiply equation 2 by the same coefficient as in equation 1 for x, which is 0.05. So multiply equation 2 by 0.05 on both sides. On both sides. So we get 0.05 distributed to y, 0.05y minus 0.05x is equal to 1000 times 0.05, which is 50. So this I can call equation 3. Okay, and my equation 1 is 0.05x plus 0.0. Let me erase this. So I will write this, the first equation, slightly different way. What I will do is I will bring the 0.06y in front. This I'm all getting from equation 1. And then plus 0.05x is equal to 840. Now you see the coefficient, this is equation 1. Now you see the coefficient of x in equation 3 is negative 0.05, and in equation 1 it is positive 0.05. So if I add the two sides of both equation 3 and 1, I will get adding both sides of equations 1 and 3, we get 0.05y minus 0.05x plus 0.06y plus 0.05x is equal to 50 plus 840. Okay, so as you can see, the negative 0.05x cancels with the positive 0.05x. And we have 0.05y plus 0.06y. We add the two coefficient, which is 0.11y. And this is equal to 840 plus 50 is 890. Okay. So now it is 0.11 times y. I have to remove the 0.11. I have to separate the two variables, the constant 0.11, and keep the y by itself. So since it is multiplied, 0.11 multiplied by y, I will divide by 0.11 on both sides. And I will get y is equal to, I will use my calculator as 890 divided by 0.11. 890 divided by 0.11, which is 8090.91. Okay, now I will substitute the value in equation 2. Oops. Look at equation 2 is y minus x is equal to 1000. Substitute the value of y in equation 2. which is y minus x is 1000. So we have, if I add, if I plug in, substitute the value of y, 8090.91 minus x is equal to 1000. Now, in order to solve this equation, I will add x on both sides first. So I have 8090.91 is equal to 1000 plus 1. And then I subtract 1000 on both sides. Okay, so just to make sure this is 0. So y, so 8090.91 minus 1000 is 7090.91 is equal to y. So this is the other solution. So the ordered pair is, wait. This is, should be 1000 plus x, not y. Pardon my mistake. So this is 1000 plus x plus x. So this is x. And we already obtained y. So what is the final answer? Its ordered pair is x is 7090.91 and y is 8090.91. That's your final solution, ordered pair. Okay, so let me summarize what I did. So basically, we were told that the two amounts invested, one at 5% interest, other at 6% interest. So the interest earned in 1 year is 0.05 times x. X is the amount invested at 5%, and y is the amount invested at 6%. So 0.05x is the interest earned in 1 year at 5% interest, and 0.06y is the interest earned at in 1 year on the 6% interest. We are also told that the total money in total amount or total interest earned is 840. So 0.05x plus 0.06y is 840. We also know the amount invested at 6%, which is y, is 1000 more than the amount invested at 5% interest. So y is equal to 1000 plus x. So my first equation is 0.05x plus 0.06y is equal to 840. That is the interest. And we also know y equal to 1000 plus x, which we will manipulate to move the x's on the left-hand side with y. So y minus x is 1000. So we have now two equations, 0.05x plus 0.06y equal to 840, and y minus x is equal to 1000. Since we already have a negative coefficient of x, -1 for equation 2, we will multiply equation 2 by the same coefficient of x as in equation 1, which is 0.05. We're doing that multiplication for equation 2. So we have 0.051 y minus 0.05x is 0.05 times 1000, which is 50. Hence, okay, we have two equations, 0.06y plus 0.05x is equal to 840, and 0.05y minus 0.05x is 50. That's equation 3. Now, if you just add 1 and 3, you get 0.05y plus 0.06y, because x terms cancel on the left-hand side, is we add the terms or the constant values on the right-hand side, which is 840 plus 50, 890. So 0.11y is 890, divide by 0.11 on both sides to get y is equal to 8090.91. And then since y minus x is equal to 1000, y being the greater amount, so 8090.91 minus x is 1000. Then we just do remove x from one side to the other side and solve for x. X is 7090.91. Hence, the ordered pair that we are looking for, the solution is 7090.91, comma 8090.91. I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, share with your friends, you and your friends. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I am back every day with new math problem. I've solved all kinds of math problems just for you. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and please do not forget to watch me tomorrow when I'll come back with another problem, another solution. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. See you.